Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Appreciate you taking some time out of your day or night to stop in and spend some time with me. So today's video, I want to take a look at a quick look at some light heads that we are about to release and offer here at the shop. So these lights are our slimline light. Very thin. Comes in a linear optic with a gasket. These will be in dual color and tricolor. So I have a tricolor back here, which is blue, white, and amber. The one I just showed you the close-up of is a amber white. Still refining the flash patterns on that. Just because they were running the same patterns as the tricolor light. So what we've run into is having downtime on the lights. So we're gonna get back to the drawing board on that and get back to you guys. So we'll definitely refine those. But this is the new look. These are going to be available through us. For a dual color and a tricolor light, these are going to be very affordable for volunteers. We're offering these basically by request. These aren't light heads that we would normally market, but a lot of customers, specifically volunteers, have been asking about an alternative. So there you have it. So I'm going to fire this one up and go through a couple of the patterns that we have. See if we can't angle these toward the camera a little bit and give you kind of a head-on. They are extremely bright. I do have them set kind of a little off angle so it doesn't completely drown out the camera. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to get the red, white, amber one in here. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. These do have the availability of isolating colors. Although they are tricolor, you can isolate and run red. And then whenever you want, kick in the red white or the red amber. And you can also, when you want, again remove the white or the amber or the red. Give us a ring if you guys are interested in picking up a pair of these. We have had them under test for quite some time. They perform very well. You'll be shocked at the price point for a tricolor light, for sure. I guarantee you that. If you like this video and you want to see more with content like this, please smash that thumbs up button. If you have not yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Click the bell icon because you'll be notified of all our new uploads. New fresh content coming. Got to give a shout out to my beautiful daughter, Madison, one of my third grade twins. Started a kindness club in third grade this year with the hashtag #BeTheKindKid. So let's get that out there. Use that hashtag to post any acts of kindness you see or that you personally do yourself. Please share our channel. There are tons and tons of first responders out there that don't know this content is available. We showcase so many different lights. We review them. We show patterns. There's a lot of first responders that come to us to decide upon what equipment they are going to purchase. So please share this with your family and friends. Even if this content is definitely, or is maybe not down your alley, this could definitely benefit a first responder in your family or in your neighborhood or within your friends network. Thanks again for tuning in. I appreciate every one of you guys for taking the time and spending it with us. Remember, be kind to one another and also be safe out there.